the 90s or early 2000s, a gentleman had a submarine and he comes across this thing and it looks like a lake underneath the water.
Yeah.
And he's bouncing off of it. There's a video of it and everything. You can see it looks like a lake. It looks like water underneath water.
Interesting.
And so that's where that
Yeah.
idea comes from, is the fact that maybe we could somehow get through there and maybe there's a whole nother world in there. Who knows? Is it more water or is it dry? Or will we be coming up like in King Kong, or you come through the hole and then you're on another side in another world. But he was killed in a helicopter in a helicopter accident shortly after he released that video.